This short video, I'm going to review the Artech HW126 keyboard. I bought this keyboard just over 2 years ago to work from home at my home office for 8 hours a day, and I have been using it almost every single day for that whole time. I bought the American version, so I have the American keyboard layout. I don't know if there are other keyboard layouts, and it cost me, it was about $29, about 30 bucks. And I actually just went on Amazon.com, and believe it or not, it's actually $28 now. So it's a couple dollars cheaper than it was 2 years ago. It must be about the only thing that's gone down in price since then. Even though I've been using it for 2 years, you can see that the keys are in still really good condition. There is a little bit of wear. You can see right there where I just, the texture is kind of rubbed off from using certain keys and parts of keys a lot, but otherwise it's in great condition. I still really love the key feel on this board. It's a short travel key feel. They feel really nice. I like the feel of these keyboards. I like the layout of the keyboards. I can, work really quick and efficiently with this keyboard. I like how it lays down. It doesn't have any kind of prop other than the solid built-in one, but nothing you can add in addition to that. By the way, this little green dot here, that I added on because I use the F5 key a lot during work, and I need to be able to see it quickly, but that didn't come with it. Of course, this is a solar powered keyboard, and I haven't had too much trouble with that, but I will say at one point in time, I had my office desk located in a part of the room which was rather dark, and so it wasn't getting enough light, and after a while it would stop charging. At that time I had to put the keyboard up by the window for a day, and then it would last another several days. Now I've moved my desk into a different location, actually at a different house, and it's no problem where it's at. I never have to charge it or put it by the window or anything. My desk situation is already by the window, so keep that in mind. If you have like a dark office, maybe this won't work out for you, because other thing to mention, this keyboard has absolutely no way to power it other than with those solar panels. There's no USB plug that you can use or anything like that. So if you don't think you have enough light, it's probably not going to work for you, because there's no way to charge it or anything like that. If it stops working, you better put it by the window or put it outside. What else about the keyboard? Well, that's all I can really think about. Oh, one more thing. It does need a USB plug in order to work. I don't have it now. It's plugged in my computer, but it's just a little USB plug, and it will not work without that. This doesn't communicate natively with a USB or anything like that. You need to plug that into your computer, and then it'll work fine. So, and by the way, I am using it on Linux. I've only ever used it on Linux. I'm sure it works on Windows at least, but also it seems to work fine on my Linux Mint operating system. So that's about all I have to say about the keyboard. It's been a great little keyboard for me for the past 2 years, and I'll put an update down below if it ever dies or if I have any issues. But one more thing I guess I should mention is I also, just to look at the condition and stuff, to let you know, I never eat in front of it or anything, and I rarely even drink around it. But if I do drink, I've never spilled any water or anything like that, is all I'm trying to say. So anyway, I guess that's about it. Thanks everybody for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.